dripping. Ah! Miss! Hi Barbie dolls! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm doing Barbie hair reroot documentary. Yay! Right now, her head, my best friend Saya, her head is like this. So I just finished plugging all the hair. I think it's enough. After I posted last video, actually I plugged several more extra. So yeah, it works better. And today I'm gonna put some glue in her head and seal it. Yeah. And I was just watching the Doll Planet tutorial video and Diana was posting how to glue. So my video is more like a documentary. If you wanna watch more serious tutorial, you should watch the Doll Planet channel. Yeah. But I will still show you how this beginner Azusa will do, you know, because it's more real. If you're trying for the first time, my video might be also helpful because you could see how I'm failing. Yeah, so please enjoy watching. First, you need to have doll head which already plugged hair, and you need glue. I am using Galaxy glue from the Doll Planet. When you buy the deluxe starter kit from their store, this glue is included. Yeah, so today I'm using this. And that kit also has this elastic hairbands. Before we start gluing, you wanna tie her hair. I'm using pink one. It didn't need to be pink, but oh my gosh. So hard to tie. I'm not good at tying doll hair or either human's hair. Oh my gosh. You know what? This kind of like super long black hair, it really reminds me Japanese princess from like 1,000 years ago. Okay. Okay, it's good. Okay, now it's tied. I keep losing some hair like this. It's falling off. So before I lose all the hair, I really want to glue her hair from inside. So from her neck, the hole, we put this glue. Oh my gosh! It's dripping! Ah! Miss! Oh my gosh, do it again. So put the glue here. I don't know how much. I was watching the video, but I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. She was using coffee straw to spread the glue, but I don't have coffee straw here, so I'm using this orange wood stick for manicure. Yeah. Put the stick inside and spreading the glue. Should I put some more glue? Because I really want to hold it tight. Yeah, I really want to make sure. You need to make sure that you have the enough room for the neck, for her neck. You know, when you put her neck back in. I think that's enough. And now you need to wait for like 8 hours. She said overnight. Oh my gosh. I wanted to do some more today, but yeah, I need to listen to Diana. So to seal her hair inside, all you need is your Barbie head, elastic band, glue, and some stick. You see inside? Hard to see, I know. But now it's glue, so I can work on her bangs tomorrow. So excited! Yay! She's so pretty. Yep, so today was a little progress, but better than nothing. Thanks for watching my video. Stay home, be safe, be happy. Hope you have Pinktastic Barbie quarantine.